Hello my dear friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to share the biggest secret to make money in the stock market. But before revealing the secret, let me clear some misconceptions first. Accounting expertise. Guys, to make money in the stock market, you don't have to be an accounting expert or accounting genius. See, if investing is all about accounting, then Forbes 400 would be filled with the names of accountants. Fortunately, to invest your money and to make money in the stock market, you don't have to be an accounting genius or accounting expert. Obviously, you should know how to make use of accounts. You should know how to make use of accounts, and making use of accounts is completely different from making accounts. Making accounts is a job of CA which is very tough, I agree. But making use of accounts is very easy if you know the process. So, you don't have to be an accounting expert to make money in the stock market. Second is, you don't need high IQ. Guys, investing is not a game where someone with 180 IQ beats someone with 120 IQ. No. In investing, what you need is common sense, which is very uncommon in the real world. So, if you have common sense, then no one can stop you from making money in the stock market. Third, you don't need unusual business insights. What does that mean? You don't need MBA. Yes, you don't need MBA to make money in the stock market. But what you need is financial literacy. You need financial literacy. Now, what does it mean by financial literacy? Obviously, you want to make money in the stock market, right? So, you should know what is stock market, what is stock, when to buy, when not to buy, when to sell, when not to sell. So, obviously, you should know about stock market. That is first. You should know about investing, and most importantly, you should know how to take care of your personal finances. That is, you should understand the concept of money. So, you need financial literacy, not MBA to make money in the stock market. Last but not least, you don't need insider information. Guys, insider information is illegal, and fortunately, you don't need insider information to make money in the stock market. So, you don't need accounting expertise, but you should know how to make use of accounts. You don't need high IQ. You don't need unusual business insights. And last but not least, you don't need insider information to make money in the stock market. But what is the requirement? What do you need to make money in the stock market? Now, this is the biggest secret. What you need is a solid, time-tested, sensible investing process and emotional strength to apply this process with discipline over a long period of time. Put it simply, what you need is right process and right mindset. When I say process, it means frameworks, concepts, insights. So that is right process. So what you need is right process and right mindset to get successful in the stock market. Now I have a good news for you. That is SSB. What is SSB? Stock Market Success Blueprint. Now this is a free course that I am doing for you. It's a free course known as Stock Market Success Blueprint, which consists of 21 episodes. And officially this is episode 1 of Stock Market Success Blueprint, where I am going to teach you everything about, the frameworks, the insights, the concepts that you require to make money in the stock market or to create huge wealth in the stock market. So, Stock Market Success Blueprint is going to cover the frameworks, but what about the right mindset? What about emotional strength? So, in this course, I am not going to cover the emotional strength part. Obviously, it is very important. So, I will, do a separate course for this, For time being, I'll take care of frameworks, you take care of emotional strength. Going forward, I'll make a separate course on behavioral finance, which will help you to control your emotions or which will help you in building your emotional strength. I'll do that going forward, but now let me take care of the frameworks first. So, this is episode 1 of Stock Market Success Blueprint, and yeah, every day 12:30 p.m. I am going to post a video every day. So episode 2 will be released 12:30 p.m. tomorrow. So every day the same timings. So what is the plan of action? The plan of action is, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that as and when I release a new video, you get instant notifications. And in episode 2, I'll cover 5 key pillars for successful stock investing. Trust me guys, the next episode, that is episode 2, is going to be very interesting. That's it for today guys, and I'll meet you in episode 2. This is Vishnu Deekonda signing off.